So the next job is to get these copings on, but they're not the right width, so we're gonna have to cut them to width. Here's the rest of them. Lovely, I think they're Yorkstone or something. Old slabs. I'll cut these down using this cutter. I'll try and dress the edges where we cut it, just to get it back just looking like that. And that's how they're meant to be cut with water, much easier and quicker, and no dust. Okay, so next stage we got here is putting these copings on. We can't put these front ones on yet, we can't stick them down anyway, because there's some brackets going on for the Argentinian BBQ. So we're putting these back copings on, which is some sort of Yorkstone. They're pretty heavy, they're not the easiest to lay because they're all different thicknesses. We're just trying to keep all the bottoms in line because there's tiles going underneath them. So we'll try and get the last couple down. Yeah, I've already put 2 on down. I got some primer mixed up in the bucket, just cement-based primer, just to try and get the slab to adhere to the mortar. So with the primer, it's literally just a case of pasting it on the back. You don't want to go right to the edge because obviously that's where your overhang is. So just try and stick to where your block is, just through there like that. Go down. These aren't the easiest to. Bit of a nightmare to keep in line, to be honest. You have got to leave a bit go on them because they are not the straightest things either. About 55mm, I'll run the 6-footer down the line in the end. You can't really use a string line on this because there's nothing to follow on it. So there'll also be tiles stuck down to right here. There'll be a kitchen unit going in as well, there where this bit of concrete is. Like a fridge in the kitchen unit. That'll just bring the pizza oven area and the barbecue area together as well. Oh, and there'll also be a sink going in here as well. There's a lot going on. Customer's got big plans. This one, next one, is probably the biggest piece we got here. Once you've got this on, they will not be going anywhere. Everything will be bonded to it. Oh, it's heavy. That is heavy. Here, yeah. Bad. Right, last one now. See how we're doing this. We've got about 610. He wants a good overhang here. do like a cement pointed joint, but I won't put that in until we put all the other ones on. See again, paste her up. So I'll just get my 6 foot level now. So they're pretty much level there. Not the easiest thing to line up at all. You just sew in and out. Nothing straight. We're actually using these upside down because the customer likes the little chamfered edge. Normally they'd be the other way around when they're laid on the ground. So that's what we got. They laid across there like that. And we'll have tiles on this bit, just down to about there. Then these here have to be laid again because there's brackets going the other side on the block weight you can see there. So next job now is to put these tiles on the back there, the back there. We can't do the sides yet. We'll put the tiles on there.